Welcome to Smart Bites, where we bring you bite-sized wisdom for a better life. Welcome back to Smart Bites. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic that affects every area of our lives: the energy of our thoughts. You may have heard the phrase, thoughts become things, but what does it actually mean? And how can we use this idea to create a more positive and fulfilling life? Let's explore. Did you know that our thoughts carry energy? Positive or negative, our thoughts have the power to shape how we feel, act, and experience the world. Think about it. When you focus on uplifting, empowering thoughts, you feel motivated, energized, and ready to tackle challenges. But when negative thoughts take over, it's like your energy drains and everything feels more difficult. Our thoughts don't just stay in our minds, they influence our emotions, actions, and even how others respond to us. Let's talk about positive thoughts and the energy they bring. Positive thoughts like I am capable, I am worthy, or I am moving forward can give us a boost of energy that makes us feel unstoppable. When we focus on what's possible rather than what could go wrong, we set ourselves up to achieve more and attract positive experiences into our lives. This positive energy doesn't just affect us, it also impacts the people around us, creating a ripple effect of positivity. On the flip side, negative thoughts can drain our energy. When we constantly think, I'm not good enough, or I can't do this, it's like we're carrying extra weight around with us. Negative thinking patterns can lead to stress, anxiety, and feeling stuck. The more we dwell on these thoughts, the more our energy lowers and the harder it becomes to take action or see solutions. The good news is that we have the power to shift our thoughts and change our energy. Here are some tips to help you do this. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts and notice when negative ones creep in. Awareness is the first step to changing them. Use positive affirmations. Repeating affirmations like, I am capable, I am growing, or I can handle challenges can rewire your mind for positivity. Visualize your goals. Picture yourself achieving your goals and feel the excitement. This shifts your focus from doubt to possibility. Our thoughts are powerful and they create the energy we carry through life. By focusing on positive thoughts, we can transform our energy, our outlook, and even the direction of our lives. So remember, you have the power to choose the energy of your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more daily insights from Smart Bites. Here's to a life filled with positive energy. Smart Bites. Quick learning for a better you. Smart Bites.